Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DS Gandharishti. Today my video is based on English grammar. In this video we learn about how we can write an essay on Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad was a great son of India. Chandrasekhar Azad was a great freedom fighter of India. His real name was Chandrasekhar Tiwari. Chandrasekhar Tiwari was born on July 23rd. In 1906, he adopted the name Azad, meaning free, being arrested during Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement when he was just 15. Indian freedom fighter known for his fearless leadership and militant approach against British rule. He became a symbol of patriotism and courage after organizing the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association HSRA and participating in key revolutionary acts like Kakori train robbery and the assassination of John Saunders. He was extremely troubled by the Jallianwala Bagh incident in 1919. By he was just 13 years old when he joined the non-cooperation movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1920. He actively participated in such movements and was arrested by the British government when he was 16 years old. It was then he introduced himself to police as Azad and his father as Swatantrata. The magistrate, witnessing such courage, became furious and ordered him to be replaced. We can understand from this Chandrasekhar Azad essay paragraph how fearless he was. He then moved to Kanpur, the headquarters of HRA. He met Sukhdev, Rajguru and Bhagat Singh, the most feared freedom fighters back then. He renamed HRA to Hindustan Socialist Republican Association HRSA in 1928. Lala Lajpat Rai died from lathi charge in the same year. One day, an informant leaked his location. Policemen are already present in Alfred Park, Allahabad. He was surrounded and was severely injured. He used his last bullet to kill himself, but did not surrender to British police. The legacy of Chandrasekhar Azad will be remembered every time India celebrates its independence. He showed us how to love our country passionately and told us to be prepared to do anything. His unconditional love and selfless sacrifice are considered to be the epitome of patriotism in Indian history. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. This is all about Mr. Chandrasekhar Azad. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel DS Gyan Drishti.